Here we are at SharkEye. Well, it's SharkEye HQ. This is where we assemble them in Rotherham. So, Hellaby, Rotherham. So, just round the corner from the yards a bit, but you know, you don't really see this on it. It's a factory. So, um, I've just been over to Sheffield behind Meadowhall where we fabricate. And we have the prototype of the first of the new trolley, the 90 by 45 modular trolley with the self-calibration rigs in it. So a bit rough and ready, but as I say, we've put it together. So is it too heavy for me to lift on my own? I'd hand putting it in. Yeah, I'll get some 12, see if there's anybody available. Let's have a look. There's nobody in there. I've given two of the young lads the holidays off on the same time. A bit ridiculous, to be honest with you, but I didn't know at the time. So there's the Sears Barracks. There's the factory managers in. Guys! Come and give me a lift with this, please. Come and give me a lift with this new 90/45 trolley. It's all built up. So this is Fezzleton. I'm sure you've met him before. We're very Shining Waller heavy in SharkEye if you look at the About Us page. So what we do here is we warehouse and we assemble the electronic components and stuff like that. So we put them together here and we ship from here as well. So we box quite a lot of the stuff, but the finished product comes out of these gates. So when it comes to you, it's come from here. So not China. I could have done that, you know. You'd have seen my other videos this week. I was wrestling a tree to death. Okay. No, put it with the other one. That's very light. You don't need to, just together. Very well balanced. I'm recording it, yeah. You're going to be famous. Unless the Indian police see you and they want you back. Check he's not on the run from Mumbai. Yep, giving himself up there. Right, so we've got new cabinet with the calibration ends in it. So against the, I'm going to say old cabinet, but it's not an old cabinet, is it? Because it's not even gone into production yet. We've not actually sold it. We've been to a few shows with them, but we've made them slightly bigger this time around. That's what we're doing. Let's see if we can get a good angle. So yeah, we're going with it. So this one that we're doing here, this one that we've built this week, that Paul's done. Yeah, get some wheels on it, get some proper bolts on it, and see whether it's good enough for car, because we built it primarily for truck, and see what we can do with it. So yeah, keep tuned in, and we'll see where we're at. Boring story, but thanks for watching.